animistic or philosophy where
Right,
there's this,
yeah.
they feel the spirit, where their empathy sort of emanates, and they could feel the spirit and the soul of the plant.
Yeah, and like there
Can make without any sort of foreknowledge. Impulsivity and intuition are often used interchangeably and out of context, but they are mutually exclusive. Clarification. Intuition is predicated on a
Not just these subject in and of itself, but science overall methodology, how it goes about to process stuff.
yeah,
These are, again, like a kind of like really, your interests or your skills are really all over the place. Private equity, I noticed another one of your credits on Facebook.
Aspect of the linguistic disparity. The second book was called The Cross-Platforming Between Mutually Exclusive Domains, where I'll study different disciplines and find commonalities they share from an analogical.
When you unravel it, you can't ever get to a center. It's a
Right.
Mobius strip of interest.
Right, I mean, down, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Look in cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.